And we're back. Before we do, lean back. Look at that. Opening Star Wars cubes while wearing a Mandalorian shirt. Yeah! That's it. We are in the Star Wars universe. Nice. Maybe that's going to bring us some luck. The Mandalorian's a bounty hunter, so hopefully he will hunt for good pulls.
He's probably tiny walking around in the cube looking for good.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. And what do we got? Adding a legendary Padme. Good, another new one for us. Check out that blaster she's got. Nice. Adding to it. Here we go. Here. I'll just do this. And legendary. Anytime it's new, it's good stuff. That's it. Just turn all those white squares green. That is the goal.
We have not got any Darth Maul.
No Mauls yet. Nope. We have one Obi-Wan, two Padmes, and none of them. And any one of them would be cool because he's just awesome.
Yeah.
I kind of like the common because that's the one that's got the staff saber with the two sides on it, which is pretty cool. So it'd be good to get him.
Yeah, I feel like that. I kind of want.
Let's do that real quick. Let's see.
Yeah, let's try.
Who is your favorite of each?
I like the commons. I'm not sure.
Okay, so let's look down at the Darth Mauls. Right, we got the regular with the staff. We've got this one, the shirtless one with the staff. And then we have robot legs.
Which kind of looks
like half.
He kind of looks like a dinosaur there.
He kind of does. And then you've got the Grail, right, where he's the spider and the crazy horns. So I would say for me, it's probably either common because it's movie, or it's this guy just because you have those color the horns on that. It's those.
Go up.
Yeah.
I like a Dino Boy, and him.
Dino Boy? Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. And then which Obi-Wan? We've got young Obi-Wan. We've got General Kenobi. We've got Old Ben. We've got a whole bunch in between. So, which one do you like best
Rare.
of Kenobi?
Rare.
You like the rare Kenobi?
Mm-hmm.
That one here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little bit older. He's got the white in his hair. Yep. I mean, I like this one because that's the original Ben that you meet in the first Star Wars one. So that's my favorite.
Really? That's the first Obi?
Yeah, because when you meet him in episode 4, it's when Luke is like a teenager and he's much older. And that's what he looks like when you first meet him. Because then they have the episode 1, 2, and 3, right? That's earlier. And then as for her, I would say it's either common or Grail again. Right.
For her, it's common or Grail.
And the thing I love about the Ultra Grail is, right, she's got the white here and like these things and the way they did that. So like these really like light up in the hologram. So I love the glow of the sabers in the Ultra Grail
like
as
the
well.
way the sabers light up.
Let's go across. So favorite common across. Darth Maul?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go with you on that one. How about this?
Obi.
Yeah, you like the Obi-Wan, huh? Yeah, I gotta say, I don't know. That's a tough one. I think I'm still gonna stick with him on this one. Legendary? You like robot legs, Darth Maul?
I like him as my favorites going down.
And across here?
And across, it's Padme.
Oh, you like Padme's the best legendary one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Cool. I like Obi-Wan on this one. And I like Obi-Wan or her on this one.
On this one, it's Obi-Wan.
Yeah, I mean, they're all amazing, right? Spider, Darth Maul, Old Ben, Obi-Wan, and Queen.
On Ultra Grail, it is Darth Maul.
Yeah, so it's either Darth Maul or Padme. I mean, the way his makeup lights up like that is great, and the same thing with like her makeup and these jewels at the bottom and her blaster. So it's a tough call.
He's actually not so good.
He's not so good. But,
he's very good.
But he's not your favorite of the bunch, right? Yep. Yeah, I don't know. The way the makeup lights up, I think, might be the one for me there. So, cool. All right. Hopefully we keep this uniqueness going, and we've got a lot more coming. Great. See you guys next time.